What happened to the president?
Nothing happened.
No, sir. Saturday night to Sunday.
Wala. Dinandun lang siya sa bahay pagbabago, signing papers. I talked to him yesterday. His voice was very strong. Wala, natawa lang.
Sir, didn't you have a private meeting Saturday night?
Hindi ko alam kung may private meeting siya.
Sir, is it possible that a doctor visited him Saturday night?
Hindi ko alam yan. Wala, hindi na namin napag-usapan yan.
Okay, what did he tell you again? No
Wala,
Saturday?
sabi niya, neither confirm nor deny. You draw your own conclusions.
What did you ask him pala muna?
Hindi, wala.
No, when he said neither confirms nor deny, what did you ask him?
Hindi na ako na gano'n kasi palagi naman yun ang sinasabi niya pag, pag merong lumalabas na gano'n eh. In other words, para sa kanya, it's not a serious matter. Kasi kung serious yun, he always tell the public about it. Diba? He tells you pag meron siyang, kung nagpunta siya, nagpatingin siya ng ganito. It started as a chismis, so di pinabayaan na lang. Kaya lang, since maraming nagtatanong sa inyo, I had to issue a formal statement as per request of most of you.
Sir, when you said that the president thinks it is not a serious matter, which one? Which
With
matter?
respect do sa chismis sa kanya, in other words, pag serious ang matter sa kanyang health, sinasabi niya sa public.
Okay. Sir, did he fall ill ba? I mean,
No.
Hindi sumama ba yung pakiramdam niya Saturday night?
Hindi, wala siyang sinabing lakas-lakas eh.
So, sir, hindi siya nagkaroon ng masamang pakiramdam even on Saturday night?
He never mentioned anything, but from the sound of his voice, parang upbeat na upbeat. Saka doon sa mga pictures na pinalabas, di ba?
Sige, sir.
But thank you for the concern. I'm sure many people were concerned, kahit na chismis lang.